Hi, this is Niladri. You are watching my channel Niladri the Genius. Today we will learn how to write Java program. Okay, first so whenever you write Java program, at that moment first you have to write class X. So those things I am underlining, that means that thing can be changes from user to user. Then public static void main, public static void main. Then string args, string is capital letter S, string args. Okay, so that thing you can change from user to user, this thing you can change from user to user. So Java is case sensitive, that means you can't write any letter. So first preliminary stage you have to write Java program, some basic rules you have to follow. So those things I am writing capital letter, that means it is capital letter. Those things I am giving underline, that means it can change from user to user. So first is addition of two numbers. Suppose whenever you write addition of two number, first think about the logic. What is the logic of addition of two number? So whenever you write any number, that means suppose I am writing a equal to 5, b equal to 6, that means a is one variable, b is one variable. So 5 and 6 will store in that memory location. Okay, so what is the logic? Then logic is c equal to a plus b, that means the value of a and the value of b will add and store in c. That means you have to take one memory location a equal to 5 and another memory location b equal to 6. Anything you can put, but I am taking 5 and 6. Then you have to add that logic and store in c. So c equal to 11. So the answer is 11. So how to write the Java program? First thing, how many variables are there? C, A, B. So you have to write int int c comma a comma b, three variable you have to write. Clear? Then right side variable to initialize. Right side variable, what is right side variable? A and b, that value you have to initialize. So a equal to 5, b equal to 6, that value you have to initialize. Then you have to write the full logic. What is the full logic? C equal to a plus b, c equal to a plus b you have to write. Then left side value you have to print. What is the left side value? C. So you have to print left side value. You have to use system, S is capital, system dot out dot println. So addition is C. Then curly bracket. This curly bracket is for public static void main and this curly bracket is for class. So like this way you can write Java program. This is called addition of two number. Is that clear? Next Java program is area of square. So how to write the program to calculate area of square? So what is the formula of area of square? So area of square formula equal to side into side. This is the formula of area of square. So you have to store in the variable area. Clear? So this is the logic. First logic is area equal to side into side. So you have to write again class, anything you can take. Suppose I am taking x. Then you have to write public static void main. So public static void main, all are small letter, class is also small letter. Then string args, so string s is capital letter. Then so previous logic you have to apply. First declare the variable area side. So how many side is there? One side, so two times it is repeating, so you have to take one. So integer area comma side. So no need to write side and side two times, so only side you have to write. So area and side. Clear? Next logic is to initialize the right side value. How to initialize the right side value? So side equal to 5. I am taking side equal to 5. Then next step, you have to write the logic, full logic. What is the full logic? Area equal to side into side. So then next step is to print the left side variable. So system dot out dot println, so area. So like this way you can print the logic. So area of square, so area equal to side into side, the pre-system.println area. So left side value print. So first program, two variables are there, area and side. You have to take two variables, integer, area and side. Next step is initialize the right side value. So right side value side equal to 5. Then you have to write the logic, full logic, area equal to side into side, full logic you have to write. Then print the left side value. So system.out.print. So like this way you can write Java program. So first step, think the logic, then you apply the logic in roughly. Suppose I am writing perimeter of rectangle. Suppose what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter equal to 2 into length cross bracket. So this is the logic of perimeter of rectangle. So first thing, what is the variables are present, that is perimeter, L and B. So three variables are there present. Then you have to write, what you have to write? You have to write first perimeter, integer, perimeter, this small letter, perimeter, comma L, comma B. So no need to write 2 here. So only the variable you have to write perimeter L, comma B. So like this way you have to write. Then rule is, next step is initialize the right side value. What is the right side value? L equal to 5, B equal to 6. Anything you can take. L equal to 5, B equal to 6. Anything you take. Then next step is full program logic you have to write. What is the formula? Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. So you have to write perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Full logic you have to write. So always follow the semicolon. Semicolon is important and Java is case sensitive. So with the any letter you can write any letter. So those are writing capital letter, that means capital letter. Those are writing small letter, that is small letter. So which program we have to write small letter, which one is write capital letter, I will tell next video. So like this way you can write the program, perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Then left side value you have to beat. What is the value? Left side is perimeter. Then system dot out dot println, then perimeter. So like this way you can write the program. First take three variables, perimeter, LB. So perimeter LB, right side value you have to initialize LB, L equal to 5, B equal to 6, anything you can take. Then perimeter, full logic, perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Then left side value you have to print system dot out dot perimeter. So like this way you can write Java program.